Welcome to this tutorial about AutoGaitA Universal 3D's data file preparation. To prepare data files, we open the window and first choose where our files are. For me, I put two files on my desktop, so this is just two subjects of the movie data set, which we also show in our paper, some open source data set of people doing different behaviors. In this case, these people were doing jumping jacks, and it's just their 3D marker-based coordinates. I then have to choose my file type. For me, it's XLSX, and I can, but I don't have to, choose a constant string or just some constant text that is present in all file names. For me, this is jumping jack, but again, this is not needed if you don't want to. Then I choose the directory to save the results to. I can leave this blank to just store to the desktop as well. And then I go to this rename columns section. And the most important thing of this whole procedure is the separator. Separators are, if you look in this data set, it's subject 12's data set, are what is separating the column parts. So we have three parts of each column, which is, for example, in this M column, we have left ankle X. And the first part is the body side. The second part is the landmark, and the third part is the dimension. Some columns don't have a body side because they're central, such as the pelvis. Then we just have two parts. That's also okay. The order of these also doesn't matter. What's important is what is the character that is separating them. In this case, it's an underscore. And it's also important that these separators are unique, so they only are present in columns when separating these column parts. So for example, here I have some unwanted text head X, right? So this wouldn't work. For that, what you need to do to prepare is to use this clean columns section. So here you just have some text to remove from all columns. For me, that would be unwanted text underscore. Then I click clean. All of the files in the folder are cleaned. And then I can go to rename. Okay, but for now, let's just do rename. This is the separator that we have. Click rename, and the files are renamed successfully. And these files can then directly be used with AutoGaitA Universal 3D. If you have 3D deep lab cut files, then you don't per se need a separator, but just put an underscore here as well. Hit this checkbox and click rename then.